Alright guys, and in this video I want to give you an overview of Shorty. So I hope you watched the first video where I showed you how the simple way to install Shorty. It's a WordPress plugin, so you can install it to any WordPress self-hosted WordPress blog. So let me give you an overview so that you know where all the functions are located, where the important stuff, how to find it, and also how to contact us and submit the right information just in case you need any help. Okay, so the first screen that you will see in Shorty is just an overview, and it highlights the three core components of Shorty, which is track affiliate commissions, track affiliate sales, track ad campaigns, PPC campaigns, etc., import commissions. Okay, and right beneath that you have add link, so you can add a tracking link, add a campaign, so you can add your own campaigns to track ads, solo ads, email ads, clicks from Facebook ads, whatever you want, and import data. So Shorty is very unique in a sense that unlike all the other plugins out there, we allow you to import lots of additional data, conversion data from affiliate networks, etc. Now at the footer section of every single page in the Shorty plugin, you'll find these three links here for updates and support, and there's a link to access client area. So this is the link that you want to use to check for the latest version of Shorty, to upgrade your version of Shorty if required, and to get any other information about Shorty, to view invoices, etc. That's the link that you use. Now if you are an affiliate, or if you want to promote Shorty, if you think Shorty is awesome and you want to promote it from your WordPress blog, from your website, Facebook page, whatever it is, you can sign up for our affiliate program and actually earn really good commissions by recommending what I think and what I hope that you agree is a really good product. And next is watch tutorials. Okay, so instead of just putting links to the individual tutorials here, there's a link to the page here that you can click, and you can go to the tutorials page at shortywp.com and watch the latest tutorials that we have for you. All right, now one thing I forgot to mention is that Shorty, we designed Shorty to not look like any typical page or other plugins in WordPress that uses the WordPress styling. We have our own styling here, and we also have our own navigation at the top here. But what you'll see is this really mirrors what you get in the WordPress navigation section. So you have overview, reports, links, campaigns, goal settings, and you have the same thing over here. Now throughout this video and the next videos, I will not show you the rest of the WordPress in most cases, because I think that what you see here is pretty much redundant, and it will help if I just focus on the Shorty plugin itself. But I just want you to know that all the links here are also available in the standard WordPress navigation section. Okay, now let's click on reports. So here you will find all the reports that you want to look at. Okay, and if you're not so familiar with a lot of web applications, these are actually tooltips. If you're not so clear, or you don't understand what conversions mean, then you can put your mouse over the eye icon over here and you get some explanation for it. Now in the graphs as well, the graphs are pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, you just put your mouse over the data points and you can get the day, the value, etc. So one thing about the graphs is that by default you may be looking at a different time range. Generally speaking, the time range is always displayed here, okay, the last 7 days, and this is what is selected. Now you can change this, right? You can change this to anything you want. You can change it to this month, so now you see the data for this month. But when you do that, all the other reports also show you the same time range, okay, just so that you don't get confused. Okay, now you have the report for links, you have report for campaigns, you have report for conversions. Okay, just a quick overview on how to use the stats and the graphs. Okay, you can see the table over here, and every column in this table you can sort it. So just click once and you'll sort, and click again, you can sort the links by visitors, okay, conversion, etc. You can sort by anything you want. Now if you have too much data in here and you find it's some of it may not be visible or missing, and you wonder where is all, I created like 100 tracking links and I can only see 10 of them here. That's because by default we show you 10. So you can use this select option here and change it to 50 or 100 to see more data in a single page. We limit it to 10 so that the page loads faster, the graph, the charts load faster. And if you have lots of data, you'll also see the pagination in the bottom right section here. So there's only one page now, okay? It shows you how many entries there are. Okay, there's only 2 entries, but if you have many entries, you may see different pages. So if you see many pages, that means some of the data is on the other pages, okay? And for every graph or every report that you see here, you can click download in CSV. When you click download in CSV, you are downloading the currently visible table, okay? So if you've typed in search here to search for something, for example, I'm typing in cradle. Okay, now that filters your table only to your search results. And when you click download in CSV, you will only be downloading the filtered search, the filtered reports. Okay, just to make it clear. Now, right next to conversions, you have import data. Okay, and this allows you to import or manually add conversions. Now, with Shorty, of course, we track conversions for you automatically, but there may be other points where Shorty will not be able to track, will not be able to get the conversion data, but you can manually add it, okay, by clicking manual add conversion. Or if the affiliate network or the third-party platform that you're using allows you to download a CSV or Excel file, you can upload that file here and we will match up the information for you to give you better conversion data. Alright, next click on links. This is where you add your tracking links, okay? And if you see the icon on the table here, icon like this, it says copy to clipboard. And when you click on this, basically you'll be copying the tracking link or the item here into your computer's memory, okay? So you can just, copy, you click once to copy and then you can just paste it anywhere you want. Okay, now let's click on campaigns. So this is where you create campaigns to track PPC ads, to track solo ads, email ads, clicks on banner links and whatever you want, okay? And yeah, next to the tables, you'll see some bulk actions here in some tables, and this is to select multiple items and just apply the bulk action to it. Okay, let's click on goals, and this is where you can create goals to track leads, to track sales, not to track affiliate commissions. That is through the tracking link itself. Again, I will create individual videos for each component over here. Alright, next, settings. And this is where you can really control how Shorty works in your blog. Alright, and finally, help. Alright, so help is where you enter your license key. So if you're installing Shorty for the first time, then you'll probably be prompted to this page only. All the other links won't work. And this is where you enter your license key. In this demo version, I don't have a license key, but for your version to work, you must enter a license key here. Again, check your email for the license key. Now, this little tab over here is very, very important. It says support token. Now, whenever you contact us for help, for support, if something is broken, something is not working, then just, the nature of this being a WordPress plugin and the nature of it being on your own hosting, we really need to have the basic information of your setup to be able to help you quickly. Otherwise, we'll just spend a few emails going back and forth, just trying to understand what hosting that you're using, okay? So this support token here is very, very important. Whenever you send us an email, make sure you copy this, okay, and include this information in your email. So we will be able to know if you are having any issues. Is there something wrong or incompatible version of Apache, Perl, PHP operating system, whether you've enabled curl or not, and also your current WordPress version. And so we provide this as a one-stop place for you to get all the vital information that will help us to respond to you faster and solve any of the issues that you're facing much faster. Okay, so alright, so that is the overview of Shorty. Alright, let's click back on overview, and in the following videos I will go through the individual items like links, campaigns, goals, and everything else and explain exactly how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video.